Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3 Set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily adjust your windows on the XPeng vehicle. So first, we need to go over and press on the vehicle icon. Here we want to go to view window and door instead of the vehicle right at the top. And here we have our trunk and window adjustment. And this is where it gets really interesting because here you can control your windows. So this is my driver's side window. We can open it a little. Now we can close it back. We can do the same for the window in the back, and we can close it again. Now what else can we do? We can do the same from the passenger side. So let's go over. It opened up our windows a little. We can do the same with the windows on the back. And now they're both open. We can easily close them, and now they're closed. You also have some options like open all, ventilate, or close all. So the same goes for the driver's side, and that's how you guys can easily adjust your windows on the XPeng vehicle. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.